Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are planning to start your blogging journey in 2025, then you must watch this video till the end. See, this is not going to be a long video. In this video, I'm going to tell you a couple of important tips and tricks so that you can actually plan your blogging journey and create a profitable blog in 2025. See, we all know that to start a blog, especially on WordPress, we need a web hosting plan, then we need a premium theme, then couple of premium plugins. Although we can skip the premium plugin and premium theme, but we need a good hosting plan because we need to host our blog on a web hosting plan which is cheap, which is fast loading, which has lots of feature, which is good customer support, because we do not want our website to go down. Now, why I'm stressing this is the best time to start a blog? So right now the Black Friday deals are going on and lots of web hosting companies are offering their best of the best deals right now. So if you have a plan to create a blog, do not delay it because this is the right time. I also personally purchase hosting during this phase of the year because this time I can save a good amount of money. Not only that, I also can get some amazing premium features of the web hosting companies. Besides that, I also spend a lot of money behind premium plugins and themes because every time whenever I'll be renewing those plugins next year again during the Black Friday, I can actually save huge amount of money during the renewal as well. So in this video, I'll recommend you to start a blog on Bluehost or either Hostinger. Why? Because you can see that they are offering some massive discount. Personally, I am using both Hostinger and Bluehost, and if you use the special discount links mentioned in the description, so that's the reason I want to create this video so that I can make you alert that this is the best time to plan your blogging journey in 2025. Don't delay this because if you miss this Black Friday deals, then definitely you have to pay even higher price. So do one thing, you just purchase a good hosting company and a free domain name with this hosting company. Whether you buy with Hostinger or Bluehost, you will get a free domain name, and that just simply keep it aside. And if you have a plan to start a blog after let's say 1 month or 2 months, you can do the same in 2025. But the majority of the task of buying a good hosting that you can complete during this Black Friday sale. So make sure to check my video description and grab the best of the best web hosting deals during this Black Friday sale so that you can start a blog in 2025.